Why comparison kills happiness? So, first of all guys, I personally compared myself with other people better than me naman. So, it's, kung kilala mo talaga sarili mo, you're always comparing someone who's doing better than you. You don't compare yourself to someone doing less than you. And as a psychological perspective or aspect na guilty tayo mga humans is we always strive to be better or for more na, ay, buti pa si ganito, buti pa si ganyan. But you can compare your chapter 1 to someone else, chapter 50. Or sabihin nila sa IG, sa Facebook na nabasa ko is, you can compare your current life to someone's highlight video. So, yeah, it kills happiness in such a way na I'm really not doing good right now. Wala akong kwentang tao or wala akong progress. But on the other side naman, it's a good thing because you are being motivated, disciplined, na humabol sa kanila. Sabi nga ng bini na ang buhay hindi karera, I really don't agree with that because life is a race. Isa lang yung buhay mo, minsan ka lang mabuhay. And if you don't make much of it, sinasayang lang yung buhay mo. So, yes, life a race and you can compare but don't let it affect you. Make it a motivation na gayanin sila and set a goal of how they did it and just follow through. Yun lang guys. But stay on your own path. Iba't iba naman tayo ng destiny, career, and yun lang. Peace out.